At Forum Infotech, we're continuously looking for ways to improve the user experience for our clients. One of the things that we have, one of the products that we offer to do that is our LevelCloud Workspace. Our workspace is our fully customizable dashboard for that we can offer to all of our cloud clients. So what you're looking at here on the screen is an example of our custom dashboard. So here on this dashboard, all of your applications would live for all of the things that you and your users need to access on a daily basis. So it's a really easy, really convenient, centralized location to include your access to your email, or maybe it's a particular application such as a document management service, event management service, scheduling program, or ERP system. So this is where all of your widgets and applications would live, and you have all of your different settings here and here, and this is what we're going to go over because we have made several enhancements to the features available in our dashboard. So the first feature that we're going to discuss is our user profile. So here in the user profile screen is where all of your users can personalize their workspace. So they can add their picture, they can update their profile picture, they can update their profile contact information, as well as security questions. So there are a series of 3 questions here that add a layer of security to each one of your user accounts. The additional thing that's been a big change to this section is Configure MFA. So MFA stands for Multifactor Authentication, and you're probably familiar with it when you log in to access your checking account information. You input your username, your password, and then you're asked to input, maybe it's a 6-digit code or a PIN code, and that is multi-factor authentication. It's asking you for 2 forms of information to verify that you are who you say you are and you are the person who should be accessing this information. So I'm going to walk you through how we would set up multi-factor authentication for all of your users. And an additional point to make here is multi-factor authentication, we can turn it on and off for each user, and it can be shut off when your users are logging in on your own network. So we can make that a known network so they don't have to go through the MFA process every single time. They can go through MFA when they're logging in from an unknown network. Maybe they're working at a coffee shop or the airport, and it's not a known network, and we want to be able to know if this is outside of your user behavior, that if somebody else is trying to access the account, you'll be notified and say, yes, that's me, or no, it is not me, and we can immediately block them from being able to log in. So how we would be able to enable their MFA, each user would have a button to turn this on or off, and then they can select how they want to be notified. So send me a push, that's the easiest and the fastest. They're trying to log in, we have their cell phone number. If send me a push is their preferred method of being contacted, they'll receive a push notification to their cell phone that will ask them, is this you trying to log on from this location? Click yes or no. Okay, or you can call or enter a passcode. So there are 3 different ways depending on what your users are most comfortable doing. So this is really important to have, so that way you can better protect your organization's data. So that is multi-factor authentication. Some features of our support portal. So click down here on this 3rd tab, Support. If you are the account manager, you'll be able to monitor all of the tickets that have been submitted for your organization. If you're not the account manager, you'll be able to monitor all of the tickets that you have submitted through this support portal. So if you're the account manager, it's a good internal communications tool. You can go in, you can see if you know an issue has occurred, you can easily go in and see if anybody has opened a ticket about it and what the resolution was. Or you can look through here, see what tickets, and if you have tickets that have been multiple users with the same issue, might be a training issue that we need to address, so we can resolve those chronic things from occurring. So from this tab, you can also create a ticket just by clicking this little area here that says create a ticket. You do that, you're going to get this screen that pops up to create a new ticket. Just follow the prompts. You can even include such detailed information, like maybe you have a screenshot of the problem you're having. You can add it as an attachment here. Give our engineers as much information as you can. I mean, we don't need a 20-page dissertation on the problem, but just a brief overview with some details of the issue that's occurring, because a lot of times what happens is they're able to research information on the back end and possibly resolve it before they've had to reach out and even contact your user. Thus, it's just a more efficient way to resolve the problem. So hit create. This ticket, all this information is submitted to our engineering team, and they will get rolling on getting the problem resolved. Users can manage their own tickets. They can, even if an issue has been resolved through this portal, they can go in and they can even click close and send the update to our engineering team. So you can see the communication happening here. Any notes, anything that they want to add can be easily added to the ticket here, and you can go in and you can review this detailed information for all of your tickets. When it was created, which engineer is working on resolving the problem, who it was created by, contact information, and any attachments all live right here in this portal. Additional features are on the home page of your workspace. So these three tabs are in the top right corner of all of the user's LevelCloud workspace. So this first tab, the monitor here, is your sessions tab. Each user can go in and terminate their own session. So for example, if they've experienced a problem and they just need a quick way to end their session, they can easily do that by clicking on hovering over that monitor and clicking the terminate button, and that will immediately end their session. This wasn't a tool that we've had in the past, so we weren't able to actually close out of our own sessions when we experience a problem. So that is where you can go in and terminate. Each user can go in and terminate their own session. The next icon there is the question mark. That is a quick ticket drop-down menu. So it's a quick and easy way for your users to submit a ticket through the home page of their LevelCloud workspace. Same information as if they were to go to the support tab, but they have it right here, super easy access from their home page. And lastly, the settings tool, just a shortcut on how to get to the profile, or they can sign out directly from the settings tab. Okay, so we've made a variety of changes to the LevelCloud workspace. We will be rolling out this dashboard to all of our cloud clients starting in June, and we'd love to answer any questions that you have about it. Feel free to contact me, Nicole, at foruminfotech.net, or you can reach me direct, 951-582-3034. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.